I don't know about that.
Hey, what about this total lost wheel?
Oh yeah, piston head's fixed. Put a tire on my wheel, and now it's flat. What happened?
Alex usually does that.
What happened to you?
Me?
Yeah, because you used to be like grungy guy. I got a rat rod. I got a lowered Chevy Silverado on 20s.
I never had that.
Yes, you did.
Oh,
and now no more rat rod.
Silverback.
You got a professional truck, and now this thing. What happened to you? It's like you almost went 2 classes above it.
No, I went to do an oil change on the black truck, and I was like, man, that car's sexy. So I just basically sold it.
How's it?
That's basically, it was an impulse.
That's how it came?
Yeah, that's literally how it went down. They're like, how much is it? Okay, I'll have the bank call you.
2021?
2021.
2021 ZL1. Do you even know what's in these things? Probably don't.
LT5.
LT5, huh?
And then it's 6-speed, so that makes it even.
Oh, and it's got Recaro seats?
How you guys doing?
Oh my god. I don't think I've ever sat in a seat that nice.
Dude, it has AC seats is the next thing.
Recaro AC seats? Yeah. That's crazy. It is really nice inside.
They're very rare to have 6-speed.
You gonna let me drive it?
Drive it, let's go. So they had got this one, and they had a blue one. And I was like, I want the blue one. Right?
So good.
It's a ZL1 1LE. Didn't know how much they were. So I'm like, yeah, give me a price. So they started at 85,000. No, let's go to the black one.
What's the difference between the blue one and this one?
The carbon fiber is like $20,000 in the carbon fiber.
Oh, so this has less carbon fiber?
It has just covered carbon fiber, I guess.
Oh, the other one has like real carbon fiber?
Yeah, exposed.
Oh wow.
We'll go right. Just go, take a left, take a left, go, cut it. There you go. That's what I said. I mean, we're used to
good first gear.
Here,
first gear.
Take that off.
First gear is fun, but feels pretty good, man. Nobody cares about that thing.
But I mean, that's a badass truck right there. That's the triple-double OG, cuz.
Triple-double OG.
Yeah. What are you talking about?
Anyways, so last time we talked, came over, said you bought a ZL1.
I did.
And
it was 6-speed.
Yeah, 6-speed. And I remember it being like black.
It was black, but I shift like a grandma.
Yeah.
So it seemed really slow to me.
But the weird thing is that now that I'm at your house, there's a blue ZL.
I downgraded to a 108.
Blue ZL1. And so
I talked to my wife about it, and she's like, man, you know, I think we should get an automatic so I can enjoy it, which is never going to happen, right? She's never going to drive it.
Why not?
But I agreed with her.
Yeah, let's get the more expensive one.
Yeah, let's get the blue one. Let's get the blue one. It's a downgrade. It's a downgrade. So then to the dealership, and since the funding had not gone through, I still had the time to kind of just swap. So I told the sales lady, and the sales lady, of course, she's going to say, of course, we can swap it. It's more expensive. It has different shocks. I don't know what they're called, but I know they're not the magnetic ride. They're completely different. And then it has these fins. And I think it's the wing upgrade. And I don't know if it has like a track setting, because if you put the car on track setting and then race mode, it is like, it's a different animal.
Well, it looks.
I don't know if the ZL1, the black one, had that, because I didn't get to drive it as much. So don't criticize me, guys. Just going with what I know.
Just looking at the difference, I can tell right away. Yeah, the number one difference is the ground effects.
And the wheels. The wheels.
Yeah, they stick out a little bit. And then of course they got like super road course tires on it.
They're basically slicks. Seriously.
And then the carbon fiber wing. And yeah, I guess there's some sort of, it's some sort of special edition, track edition or whatever.
Track pack.
Okay, track pack. There it is. Okay.
Yeah, but this one has like the carbon fiber exposed.
Yeah, I see it. I don't like this matte black hood though.
Man, dude, a lot of people don't like it.
Yeah.
It's either you love it or you hate it. I kind of like it.
I know, man.
The only reason why I like it, there's no rock chips.
I would definitely
so if it gets rock chips, you can just take it off and put another one on.
All right.
So let's go for a ride.
Yeah, let's take it for a ride.
to race, and it gives you full, like, get as stupid as you want.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So race mode is like everything off of it.
Race mode, track mode.
Have you thought about? You gotta 2-foot it.
Control like kicks in. I want it off.
It doesn't take it all the way off.
It's completely off, but it still holds you from going stupid.
Oh, really?
I want to drift.
Ow!
That's pretty quick, dude.
My internal organs are bouncing all over the place. It brakes on a dime, it goes on a dime, it turns on a dime. It fucking...
Yeah, it's pretty insane. You put your foot all the way to the floorboard, you're like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
This is me, regular mode. This is me, oh, driving. Eddie's driving engaged.
Dude, that's insane.
Yeah, it feels good. It feels good. This car is gonna be a lot of fun.
Just
you gotta let me road race it too. You gotta take me around the little track.
Are you afraid to get loose or what, bro?
I'm just testing it out, man. Gotta get used to the car first.
I know the bullet's just meant to go straight and sometimes hit a wall or two or slam into the ground.
Oh yeah.
Body slam. The body slam. We call those the body slam wheelies. Woo!
It's a sexy car, sounds great, feels great, drives great.
Oh, look at a real race car.
God, that thing.
A real race car.
Yeah, no, bro.
We should do a
Does it even start?
road racing.
What?
Let's race the rat rod. You race the car,
Yeah,
and I'll drive the rat rod. Yeah, and then I can say I beat you for once.
What's gonna happen if you lose?
I guess I just gotta upgrade the rat rod some more.
All right, so that's it. Not only is it a badass car, but it's a good
Grocery
pizza delivery car. So
Hey,
that's it.
Hold on, more important.
What? Oh my god, nobody cares about this thing. This thing's retired.
You think it runs? I have not ran this truck in probably.
Oh, it started, you mean? Does
Yeah,
it
you
start?
think it runs right now?
No, it's probably dead as fuck.
Please say not.
Can you make sure it's a park? You always like to leave it at a park.
Yeah, it's in park. Bro, this thing's on fire!
Does it even have fuel?
Yeah, has to have tank.
Alright, that's it. What are we gonna do now?
Let's get to work.